Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to save stickers on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll land on the camera screen. Now, tap on the chat icon at the bottom to view your conversations. Select any chat where someone has sent you a sticker. Once you see the sticker message, tap and hold on it. A menu will appear. Tap on Save in Chat, and the sticker will be saved to that conversation. Now, if you want to save Snapchat stickers to your favorites, tap and hold the sticker again, then select Save to Favorite Stickers. This adds it to your Snapchat sticker collection for easy access later. To unsave a sticker from chat, simply tap and hold the saved sticker message, then tap Unsave in Chat, and it'll be removed. And that's it. Now you know how to save and manage stickers on Snapchat. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching ClickFix.